Well, let's see if we can get this xiegu to work with this other software. So we've got the USB cable set up on the computer, and let's see. So we just need to figure out which connection to use. Okay, so I think the COM port's good. So when we go into the software here, oh, it still says it's setting it up. And okay, it says it's ready. The CH342. Okay, so we should be good. Let's open up the WF whatever the hell. We probably have to do another setup on this. Yeah, and we got a malfunction of the USB device not recognized. So I guess I will either have to go to xiegu's website or we'll have to wait for Windows to find it. Alright, so let's see if that did it or not. Alright.
Alright, 73 Don. Good to hear that, man. Actually, Monty, next time we'll send it to Gary. KD7AXF. Go ahead, Gary.
Still got the, Alright, so I unplugged it. Now it's back in there. Let's see. We need to go to radio status. We probably got an error again. Radio access. Radio settings. Radio server. I need to look and see what they say for this radio. There's actually a lot of radios that are supported on here.
I know you're listening, because you always are. You're just not talking, but anyway, I want to talk to you about the both of that. So
756 Pro.
with that said, we're W6 MKS from the 06 US. 6 MKS, yeah, Kurt gets on there, he'd be able to relay for sure. Yeah, Jerry.
Okay, so I'm trying a couple of different settings here. And what I did was, I went into here, it was saying something else. I clicked close connection, now it says connect to radio. So now we can go to settings. And then now this pops up, it's populated now, it wasn't here. It wasn't here before. Okay, I don't know what the baud rate is. I'm gonna go here. I would like to be able to name the radio. Let's just go do that and see what it does. It's all grayed out. And then it's not connected to the radio. So I don't know what's not happening here. Let's cancel the connection. We'll exit the program. Yes. And we will try to. We'll restart the radio. I'm on the DEV port.
So that's my story. I'm sticking to it. And Monty, it's a pleasure. I hope you get your motor going. And like that. So, you know, it's, you know, I'm glad your hands are still getting better.
Alright,
Storage is
so
part of the process. That should be a
radio's up and running. We should hear a funky noise over here. Okay. Let's go over and pull this up. Alright. We've got COM port 9 and 10. And alright. Cancel connection. Settings. Serial USB. Okay, look right here. COM port 9. We'll try COM port 9. Connect to the radio. Let's see what it does. Nothing. Okay. Let's pull that window up again. Disconnect from the radio. COM port 10. Connect to the radio. We got nothing. Okay, disconnect from the radio. Baud rate is probably too high. Let's try that. Let's see. Not working.
So I'm trying to get that one pretty well. I got the center support for it now on a permanent mount in place.
Okay, I don't know what port it's supposed to be on. I'm going to close this program here. Yes. Oh, it's being stupid. Come on. Close the program. Do we have... let's look up JS8 call. I'm just looking that one up because it's so much easier to find there. The FT8 and the jtdx, they're really hard to find. Their website is horrible. This one I could just go in here and apparently they moved everything on here too. Okay. Right. Open. Run as administrator. So I should be able to just hook this up here. I'll find out what port that I'm on. I'll figure out what I need to be at. And then that should make things easier. I don't have a lot of experience with this radio. Okay. So we're going to go into radio. Cat. Oh, man. Oh, okay. Now, there was a radio that works for this one, but I think they might have already added it. Nope, they didn't add it. Oh, yeah, they did. Nope. Alright, I'm done with this one. I'll close it out. Okay, jtdx. My blood coagulates so quickly, and so anyway, that's probably what's causing the apprehension for tomorrow. But anyway, Utah Regional Park, Leon, that's cool. Tell us about your 2 antennas. You didn't mention anything about that. I'm surprised, because this antenna is all you need. All right, over to you, Carl. KO60M. I don't guess you're going to get Curtis out here tonight.
And 60 SM of the group.
All right. Settings. Radio.
About how he's always listening, but he doesn't like the GS code.
What is going ka-clunk, ka-clunk? Here, look, we have it on here. Yeah. The other doesn't want to support it. 9 or 10. 4800. It's not working. Okay. Let's make sure we don't have an exclamation point on here again. Okay. They're both enhanced. Click OK. COM port 9. Let's try 10. Not working. We don't know what the radio's set to. I don't have a real easy way to figure it out. System settings. That didn't work either. Okay. Password name, audio port, CIV port, control port. wfview.org. Oh. My goodness, this is what we were trying to find. WF server settings. Okay. User. With WF view server from view team, blah blah. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna deal with that later though.
And you know, I've had a couple of those, and they're not bad. They're nothing. Just don't look. Whatever you do, don't look. You can't keep talking to anyone. You know it's
System settings, display settings, app, message, filter, EFN, key, general. What do they call the guy? Monte, not Monte. That's a really weird way of pronouncing that name.
Actually, I liked it when they did it. They hooked you all up with an IED, and then you do a regular MRI.
Wi-Fi switch.
MRI, they can manually control the ID from their little office.
I forgot this thing has Wi-Fi.
And I actually like that stuff because it felt like it heated up my seat, nice and warm. I felt warm all over it. So I like laying there trying not to fall asleep.
Let's try this again. Okay, so we don't know the baud rate this thing's set to. Oh man, what a pain. I could look it up on Google. And it should respond really quickly.
How you doing, my buddy? My friend? It's sounding good out there. Everybody's sounding good. You know, I'm checking in. It's probably the band's probably going to drop out any minute now So that's what I did yesterday. Other than that, let's see, CAT scan MRI. The last time I had an MRI was they shot some radioisotopes into my veins.
Wow, this thing is not doing anything. Alright, I restarted the computer. Last time I did jtdx on this once before. And my experience was that it was kind of tricky. I didn't have to download anything, but I had to restart quite a few times. So I feel like I'm doing something wrong here. All I'm going to do is get into the browser here. x6100 FT8 settings. Group file.
Okay, Sean, very good. Yeah, no, this is just a routine inspection of something I already know I have.
Let's turn this volume down. Okay, it says note that blah blah blah. I don't know. Something about the Russian firmware. This is not any help to me. What does AI say? I don't want to watch a bunch of videos, man. Okay, I usually with this kind of stuff, I just try and figure it out on my own. Yeah, okay. Baud rate is 19,200. Alright. Oh, look at this. It's Julian. WinLink Express. Okay, but anyway, 19,200. Let's just go back over here and do that. Click OK. Okay. Okay. 19,200. There we go. Boom. Like I said, this damn thing is super finicky. So COM port 9, 19,200. Okay. And that's going to tell us what we need right there. Let me put an antenna on this because I do not want it to burn itself up by accidentally keying up. Alright. So now we just got to set some basic stuff on here. I don't think you're watching this video to figure out how to do this, but you need to put in your call sign and all that stuff, your grid and all that. And then you do need to test the PTT. Okay, so you get all that in there, and then let's see, radio, test the PTT. It may not work. You need to select cat, not Vox. It's still not giving us the option to use it. Oh, that's weird. I'm gonna test the cat again. Okay. I don't know if we're putting out power now. Let me put it on dummy load. I don't know what it's doing. But it's keying the rig, so basically that's good enough. Alright. So basically, we get audio. This default input device is not going to work. Microphone USB 2 audio. speakers, 2 USB audio. That should be the ones that you want. It should be, but I could be wrong. Okay, you got sequencing. I always remove this because people will key up on top of you and kick you out. Reporting. We want to enable PSK reporter, and then we'll just go ahead and click OK. There's some other things I like to change on mine. And then I need to use the antenna tuner. Okay. So we got that there. We're not. And it doesn't automatically change your mode for you. You're going to need to do that yourself. Okay. Let's go see what our waterfall looks like. We'll move that over here. It's nice having a larger monitor because I can actually look at all this all at once. Wow, look at that. Okay, so now I want to go. It's picking up my voice. I don't want it to do that. Okay. So there's a built-in microphone. Okay, we're on U digital. Let's try this again. Okay. Yeah, I see power. Not much. Okay, what do I got it set to? We have SWR, it looks like. So we really don't want. Yeah, it's got SWR. So if I put it on the dummy load and I turn off the antenna tuner and I click tune, you see we see nothing on here. I don't know why it doesn't just say SWR, but that's exactly what it is. So I don't see any power out on here. Okay, I see a couple watts, which is normal. So we're under the 5 watt. The radio shows the power's turned down. I'm on 5 watts. I'm on 4 watts actually. You see right here. Let's put it on a 20 watt scale. It timed out. Okay. 20 watt scale. We're 3 watts on there, according to that meter. I need to go to a band where it's gonna work. It should be the best band for me. You really got to watch out with this radio. I need 2-to-1 SWR. I'd love to see better than that. I don't imagine we'll see much here. See, how come I can't get below that? I just really feel like 2-to-1 is not that good. Why is it not tuning better than that? So what I ended up doing is I just ended up putting it in tune and adjusting it. We see both of these say I got no reflected, so then the radio shows no reflected, so we're good to go. I'm gonna let it call CQ for a little bit, just to make this video fun and interesting. Looks like we've already made contact. This is why you need to change this software. I'll show you how to do that. We can't do it while we're in transmit though. This is something new. You used to be able to actually. Like I cannot even read what the hell he's saying. And I need my transmit to be on the same frequency. So that's, when it being split like that, it's going to make it really hard with 4 watts to be heard. We didn't get a contact because it's gone, so it is what it is. But somebody heard us. While we're doing this, let's go to PSK reporter. PSK reporter. And that is me, I believe. No, it's not me. That's my grid. Okay. Alright, we'll click go. That's what 4 watts will get you right here. On 80 meters. 3 watts, really. Okay. Let's go ahead and halt the TX on that. We didn't make that contact. That guy's gone. Let's go click over here, move our stuff over here. I need to go into here and change these colors. They're really bad. Okay. Filters, notifications. These right here, see this? You don't want that color to be like that. You can pick something else like this. Click OK. Now we can read it. Okay. New call. Let's go yellow. Click OK. I'm gonna leave that one alone. So just changing these to these colors here is gonna help you quite a bit. Transmit message. Let's see. Maybe. What would that do? Okay. So once you do that, everything's going to completely reset itself. Come on. Okay. Now, I'd rather not have that color there. That purple color is not quite what I want. Let's see. Purple, let's go for more of a red. And that should be fine. Okay. So red will mean I'm transmitting. I mean, that makes sense. Or maybe even some other color, like maybe orange might be better. Red is really good at covering up the other colors that are in it. So we'll go maybe orange like this, maybe. I don't know. I was hoping to make a contact on here for you guys, just for the hell of it. But it doesn't seem to be happening. We don't even know, the clock might not even be accurate on here. Adjust the date and time. Set it automatically on and off. Sync now. Anyway, that's enough for me on that one. Let me try and get the other thing working. And I think you have to use the app. So let's go into the radio to the settings here. And system settings. And we want the WF server. And click start. Please wait. Okay, with WF server. Okay. Settings. Which COM port were we on? It was on 1920. Connect to the radio. Oh, we're on the radio anyway. I don't know if we have to have this on or not. I don't really see what the hell's going on though. Doesn't really, in my opinion, doesn't look like it's working. Let's see if it turns the radio off or not. It's supposed to, but it doesn't. Okay, let's go ahead and exit the program. Yes. Let's restart it. We're getting a big orange flashing thing. Power on. All right. So it looks like doesn't want to work again. Let me go back in here to our system settings and we'll tell it to stop. Okay, exit. Okay. Okay, so now we know it's COM port 9. We know it's 1920. And then we're going to connect to the radio. It's connected to the radio with limited. You see here we can control the radio. Oh, you can even scroll it with the mouse wheel. Okay. We can adjust the RF gain from here. Okay. Just click tune. Okay, so we could you could remote this damn radio with this software, but you aren't going to have a display of your waterfall, which is kind of a bummer, but it's remotable. Well, that's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm sure there's some workaround to get it to work better than that, but I read specifically on their website that it had limited stuff, so